Hi guys, so today I thought I'd make and show you guys how to make a chicken and vegetable stir fry. Really good this one. You've got high in vitamins, high in protein, and you've got your carbs in there as well. Also really good because you can sort of chop and change and choose kind of what vegetables you prefer and put in there as well. And also as well, so you guys sort of seniors or anyone sort of want to get their meal prepped in, it's a great one. You can get a few meals and you can sort of keep it in the fridge for the rest of the week. So first things first, you're going to cut up your chicken. Put a bit of olive oil in the pan like so. Pop the chicken in and let that cook then. Let that cook for about 15 or 20 minutes or so. And then we'll come back to it. I will do that. So I'll pop the chicken on now. So that's the first step. Okay, so next step, once your chicken's cooked, you're going to pop that into a separate bowl and keep that on to the side. Also, when you're cooking your chicken as well, make sure then you put the rice on when you're cooking that. I've used rice today, you could also use noodles, that's just personal preference. So, next up then, you're going to add a little bit more oil back into the pan. And now it's time to put in your vegetables. Okay, so I've gone for today green beans, I've gone for some broccoli as well. Oops. And I've also got some peppers and I've got some carrots too. Like I said before, personal preference, you can put whatever vegetables you want in there, but I've just gone for that today, right? Cook all that until it goes nice and soft. Okay, once when your vegetables and everything is nice and soft, next step then is to cook the sauce. So we're going to need a little bit more olive oil again. Put that in there. Okay, so for the sauce then, you're going to need 3 crushed garlic cloves, so pop that in there. You're going to also need a tablespoon of ginger, so we'll put that in there like so. Give that a little bit of a mix. Once when we've done that, then we're going to add the soy sauce. You need about 80 millilitres of soy sauce, so pop that in there. You're also going to need then about 240 millilitres of chicken stock. Alright, a little bit more soy sauce, we can do in there. Once we've got that, then what do I need? We're going to also need a tablespoon of brown sugar. We'll go with this. Tablespoon of brown sugar. And then lastly, we're going to put in 30 grams of flour, and we'll let that there cook for a little bit. Once when that's done then, we'll pop the chicken in, so we'll come back to that in a little bit. Once when your sauce is cooking and it's been going for a little while, you're going to pop in the chicken that you cooked earlier. And we're also going to pop in the veg as well. Give that a nice mix for a little while, and then you should be ready to pop it onto your plate with the cooked rice that you were cooking earlier. So I'll let this just settle for a little bit now. Get all the sauce in there. Once when that chicken and the vegetables is mixed in and you sort of marinated that with your soy sauce recipe, you're good to go then, serving it up with the rice that you've cooked earlier, alright? And any spare, like I said, you could use that then for sort of meal prep for the rest of the week, but give it a go, guys, and be creative. Get your own sort of vegetables or whatever ones that you want in there. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy.